Hey everybody, I'm John Hammerly with the Plastic Surgery Channel, and I'm here with my good friend, Dr. Doug Steinbreck. All right, here's the subject at hand. Everybody knows since the pandemic has hit, plastic surgery numbers skyrocketing. I'm sure that's the case, obviously, since you're opening up a third office in Chicago. The question that I have for you is, we haven't done the story in a while, celebrity plastic surgeons. Now, it's one thing for patients to talk about what a great job they did if they decide to disclose that they got a tummy tuck or a breast implant or whatever. But we have several plastic surgeons who really are really big on stuff like Instagram. There's one Toronto surgeon by the name of Martin Jurgenberg. He goes by the name of Dr. Six, and that's a numeral 6IX,
right,
for Instagram. And he's live streaming his surgeries. He has Dr. Six branded scrubs. He's head bopping. He's telling everybody what he's doing as he's doing it. What's wrong with this picture?
it's the same old thing. People are starting to judge. They used to judge the quality of their surgeon by the results, by their education, by whether or not they spoke at any conference, whether or not they wrote a chapter or a paper or edited a textbook. But now it seems to be how many followers do they have on Instagram? And I've seen a lot. Can happen with dermatologists. It can happen with plastic surgeon, ophthalmologists, and facial plastic surgeons. Really, they can be there can be a little bit of smoke and mirrors. And the focus I've seen. This is a good example. I've seen people talk about a plastic surgeon, not actually a dermatologist, that when they looks great on Instagram, but when they actually get in his office, they can see, they look around the corner, they can see more people, the teams of people, marketing people working on his Instagram and setting up the shots and everything like that. More people working on that than actually taking care of patients, actually working on patient care. But then when you read the reviews, you find that they felt like they were treated like a piece of meat, or they there are a lot of I call them vampire plastic surgeons or vampire dermatologists, vampire. It doesn't matter which kind of doctor you are, but they're people that keep on feeding off of Instagram and new people. They don't get a lot of their patients by patient referrals or doctors or patients referrals. It's always looking out for fresh blood. There are good some are good, some are not so great, but don't make that the single determining decision.
No truer words have been spoken than my friend Doug Steinbreck, who is sporting the classiest scrubs that you can imagine.
Like that? You like that? Sorry.
Doug, thank you so much for your time.
You bet.
If you have any other questions about anything regarding plastic surgery or social media and plastic surgery, you know where to come because you're right there. It's theplasticsurgerychannel.com.